Good morning. Welcome to Get Ready with Me. My name is Jennifer Woolsey and I am a top leader with Avon, and we are going to do some makeup. So I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. It's hump day around here, so we are going to hop right in. I've already done my morning skincare regimen. I'm back to my basics with my dual elixir and my Skinvincible day cream. At night, I have added in a different product. I'm using our new The Therapy. It's oil blending cream. It is Korean beauty, and it's good. So I'm seeing some difference in some of the wrinkles and things like that I've been seeing. It's fantastic, and it's live now. It's one of the new products that we have that has came out, and it's fabulous. Fabulous. And of course, I cleansed with my rice water foaming cleanser because you want to cleanse your face morning and night. So we're going to go ahead and get started with makeup, and then I've got an important topic to talk to you about. We're going to start with our Ink Lasting Primer, and it just takes a dab, and it will go a long, long way. So I was talking with a customer, a friend really, and she's a customer, the other day, yesterday, about skincare. And she was telling me that she thinks she needs a skincare regimen, but she's got acne prone and oily skin, and just didn't know, that putting lotion on top of that was a good thing. And, every skincare conversation that I always start with the basics. What are you putting in your body? Because believe it or not, the things that you put in your body will come out in your face. I know, you're thinking about, looking for my Magix wand. You're thinking about, I usually have everything right here. You're thinking about that Big Mac that you ate, or the Burger King burger, or your Starbucks coffee. Those things will come out in your skin. Sodas and Cokes are a big deal. Those things will manifest themselves on your skin. Ugh. So we're going to use Magix Wand in shade Marshmallow. We're going to come down in a triangle motion. And this just lightly rubs on. I'm going to let it warm up just a little bit on my face before we blend it in. And then I'm going to hop right in with our Ink Lasting Cushion. It's live. You can get yours now on your avon.com/jwoolsey. Don't forget to check it out. I'll pin that here in the comments. So anyway, whenever you're dealing with any kind of skin issues, really you want to first evaluate your diet. What are you putting in your body? Are you putting enough water in your body? If your skin pH is off, meaning your skin balance, you're finding that you're really oily or really dry, a lot of times that's because you're not getting the right moisture in your body. So you should be taking actually half of your body weight and ounces in water every day. So for example, if you weigh 100 pounds, then you need to be putting in 50 ounces of water in your body every day. And you're going to pee a lot. But guess what? It's flushing out all of those toxins, and it's getting that stuff, that bad stuff out of your body. You don't want the bad things in your body. It's not cool. Don't eat it. I tell myself that all the time, right? We are always in such a hurry in this society to get things done, and we don't feel like cooking dinner, so we go through McDonald's or Sonic or KFC or whatever, and then your face pays for it because all the things comes out in your complexion. So if you're finding yourself with really dry or really oily skin, the first thing you can do to help yourself is take in more water. Drink a lot of water. How much water do you drink a day? When you really look at it, how much water do you take in a day? Okay. I think we have patted this stuff. Tapped it as much as we can. Okay, and I went ahead and blended that Magix in with my foundation. Can you tell a difference? I can already tell a difference. Now we're going to do the brows. We're going to line those puppies out. Okay, so Here's the other fun fact. Did you know that every time that you take in a soda, you're actually canceling out 8 ounces of the water that you took in? So say that you are 100 pounds, you drink your 50 ounces of water, and then you drink a soda. Well, guess what? You got to take in 8 more ounces of water to cancel out the soda that you took in. Those things do so much damage to our body and really do not give us any nutritional value. It's insane that we love them. They make them that way, right? So that we're addicted to them. It's crazy. And then you're going to see less acne on your skin, and you're going to see your pH levels balance out and not going to see the dryness or the oiliness quite as bad on your face. But here's the other thing. Once you start to moisturize from the inside, you also have to moisturize on the outside. So if you're doing your water, you're like, okay, Jen, I'm doing my water intake. I'm taking in that much water a day, still seeing this issue. Well, here's the next step. You've got to balance out your pH levels in your skin. And that means you need to make sure that you're cleansing twice a day before when you get up in the mornings, cleanse your face, put your cleanser in your shower and use it in the shower. And then before you go to bed at night, you want to be sure and get the makeup off your face. Because if you're going to sleep every night with that makeup on your face, then that is just regenerating cells in your pillowcase. So if you're regenerating makeup cells in your pillowcase, then as you lay in that same spot, you're going to see acne begin to form on those places. So, and I'm guilty of it. I mean, I get it. We're tired at night. We've chased the kids. We've done all the things. Washing our face and doing our skincare is really the last thing on our list, but it's important if you want to balance out that skin. So at night, I'm using my rice water wipes. I keep them by my bed along with my night cream, which I'm using the oil blending right now. So I keep these by my bedside. So at night, if I'm in bed and I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm so tired, I can take that wipe my makeup off, do my oil blending cream, and just pat it in and massage it in, let it dry real good before I go to sleep. I did translucent loose powder, guys. That was translucent loose powder. I'm not sure what's going on with the neck here. I feel like, maybe this light. Let's change the, that's better. Okay. I was freaking out that I had 2 different colors. Okay, so I'm going to use the Time to Shine palette for my eyes and for my, let's do a little bit of contouring, shall we? This palette has 2 blushes and 2 highlighters. Just going to go a little bit here and a little bit here. Okay, so the next step is balancing your pH levels in your body. So to do that, you want to make sure that you're using a good day cream and a good night cream. So it can be, we have some great ones with Avon, and I'll help you find the right skincare regimen if that is something that you're interested in. I'm using the Positive Vibes only. I'm going to start with this lighter color here. The cool thing about this cushion is it has a good mirror in it, and I love that, especially when I'm doing makeup with you guys. So you want to make sure that you're using that good day cream and night cream, because that's going to help balance out the pH levels in your body. And I hear you, Jennifer, my skin is already oily. I do not need more moisture on my face, but you do. I know that sounds crazy. But, that was just a regular eyeshadow brush. But if you will start that regimen and begin to balance out your pH levels in your skin, you will, I'm going to use purple today. Ooh, I like it. I've got purple on. I'm going to wear purple. We're going to work this crease. Tap it out. But yes, if you will start to balance out your pH levels with a good skincare regimen, you're going to see that oiliness begin to dissipate. And here's the thing. You have to do all the things, not just one of the things. You have to do all the things. You have to make sure you're watching what you're bringing in. If you're, okay, I'm going to pick up this darker purple here, and I'm going to blend with it, okay? So if you are still taking in the cheeseburgers and the French fries from McDonald's, and you're still drinking 20 Dr. Peppers a day and all those things, and you're like, I'm doing my my skincare, I'm Jennifer, I'm doing my day cream and my night cream, but I still have the acne coming up. It's because of what you're putting in your body. And that is so important. That really turned out pretty good. What do y'all think? What's your thoughts? It's because of what you're putting in your body. And it's crazy how it all works, but our bodies are made to work together. So you have to give it what it needs. If it's telling you, oh, I'm oily, it's because you're not moisturizing your body from the inside out. It's trying to find a way to generate the oil that your skin needs. Because your skin needs moisture. Same thing with your body. If your body's feeling oily, you probably need to moisturize more. Okay, we're going to use the Super Extend Precision Liquid. I'm beginning to love this. It is definitely a learning process for me. It goes on really nice. What do y'all think? Are you liking the liquid, or are you more of an On Point fan? I still have my faithful On Point, and I still use it sometimes, but I'm kind of liking this. Let me get a little bit closer for you. I like it. I like it. What do you thought? I'm guilty of sleeping with makeup on, but I will be honest, for the most part, I only wear makeup on Sundays. I'm lazy, and that's the only day I see people being stay-at-home mama. I might get one other day during the week if we have errands to run, but for the most part, I'm a mascara only girl. That's good. That's good because you're not putting a lot of that stuff on your face and clogging your pores. So that's really a good thing. But here's the thing. Your skin still gets dirty during the day because of dirt and dust and your kids' hands and all the things that you have happen to your face during the day. So you still want to make sure that you're cleansing your face at night. You want to take all those things off and get rid of all the dust and dirt. Okay, we did Super Extend on the bottom. I'm getting better at this. Okay, good. So I think for me personally, the hardest part is the balancing what I eat, because I am like Amanda said, I'm a busy mama. I'm always on the go. I've got 9 million things going on. So it's easy for me to swing through McDonald's and get the boys a cheeseburger and, oh, I'll just get me some French fries. And that begins to add up, not only in weight, but it adds up on your skin. And so making sure that you're eating a well-balanced diet with lots of vegetables and lots of protein is a great thing to do for your body. I'm looking for my mascara. Here we go. Love mascara. Is a great thing to do for your body because it's going to work its way through your system, and it's going to help you to look more, have more of a glow. Does that make sense? And have more of a, I love mascara. Anyway, it's, if you're putting good in your body, it's going to show in your skin. It's going to show in your glow. It's going to also help you feel better, which is what I keep telling myself. Jennifer, if you will make better food choices, you will feel better. I'm not just telling you guys something. I'm preaching to myself here. Okay. So I know for me, learning that balancing my pH level, starting with your water, adding in your skincare, making sure that I cleanse my face every night. Another big thing that a lot of people don't think about is your pillowcase. Your skin regenerates at night on that pillowcase. And so are you cleansing or cleaning your pillowcase often? That's another big thing. I mean, I try to change my sheets at least once, sometimes twice a week, but flip your pillow so that you're laying on a different side. That love. I mean, really, I'm just like most of you. I'm so exhausted when I fall into bed at night. The last thought on my mind is what side of my pillowcase that I'm sleeping on. But if we're intentional and we try to make good decisions with our food, we're taking in all that water. I know for me, good morning, sister. I know for me, half of my body weight is a lot of freaking water. So I put it in a jug and I just carry it around with me and I drink it as I'm doing all my stuff during the day. And then I'm going to the bathroom, But making those good food choices are another thing that I have to try to be intentional with. And washing my face. Wash your face and put a good moisturizer on. And you will see all the things balance out in your body. It takes time. I have a customer that we started this about a month ago, and she took some, I'm going to get her to share. She took some before and after pictures, so she's going to share them with me. Oh my gosh, the transformation in her skin is amazing. It's just such a difference. So I know it works. We just have to put it into practice. I'm going to use my Avon Matitude Devoted. I need to get some of the new lipsticks. Did y'all catch my, it's bold. Did y'all catch my live yesterday where I did the half face? If you didn't, you need to go back and watch it. It was funny. All right, we have a little pop of pink on the color. These Matitudes are bold, so if they're too bold for you to just put on directly, you can just dab and pat, and it's gonna blend it a little bit and not make it quite as bold of a color. Before these, I was never a pink girl, but I kind of like the pink. I mean, I forgot blush. I mean, hello. Okay, we're going to use the Cushion blush in Coral. I did my contour because I look skinnier. You see it? We're about to have a new backdrop in here, guys. I'm working on a new backdrop so you don't have to see my shower every morning. So I picked up just a little of that color, and I'm just going to pat, pat, pat right here on my cheek. You can see the difference. It just gives you a little bit of a glow, a little bit of color. It's really a really nice color. I didn't think coral was going to match with my skin tone, but I'm loving it. I'm enjoying trying new things with this new product line. Korean beauty, we know, is, it's all the rage. We are one of the first companies to bring it to market in the United States, which is amazing. And you guys are loving it. The orders yesterday began to come in. Y'all blessed our family. We are so thankful for that. If you want to get any of these products, you can check it out at youravon.com/jwoolsey. And if it's your first order, you can use code WELCOME10 and get a 10% discount. And if your order is $50 or more, you can get this super cool bundle with all this new Korean beauty. I'm going to put it all back together because I use it. It has that oil therapy cream that I was talking about. It has rice water. It has the Black Rose body scrub and the Zika recovery cream. So Face Shop is the code to get that for free. You can use all the codes. Welcome 10 gets you a 10% discount. Face Shop gets you a free bundle and free shipping. So check those things out. If you like this video, please share it. Please share it because somebody else may need to hear these tips too. And they may need to be able to put those things in their body that they need to bless it. So I hope you all have a fantastic day. Thank you so much for watching, and I love you guys. Bye.